excited about this season. I have so much in store for you guys. I love this time of season. It's my favorite, and I cannot wait to share with you guys all the crafts I have in mind. These frames were in store forever. You're going to need that mini scraper. They were still on the shelf last week, and I bought two. And this is what I decided to create with mine. So basically, we're going to work on the three hat frame together, but this one I've already gone ahead and done. I'm going to link all the printables below that I used. Those pumpkins are the mini pumpkin picks from the Halloween aisle. I used some faux reindeer moss. That webbing is actually medical gauze that I purchased as well. And then the wine glass is also from the Dollar Tree. Went ahead and attached it there. The little black house that you see behind is one of the Halloween ornaments. I think they come in a pack of 4. And that's what you'll need to create this frame. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create the frame with the lights. Okay friends, so getting started, you're going to need this second frame, which is an 8x8, and that piece comes off really nicely. But I want you to notice something. You see the corners there? Don't buy a frame that have those corners, because then you can't easily just slip in scrapbook paper. I find it really hard to measure, and it's just kind of a pain in the butt. So I'm going to work with this frame, but remember, next time for the other frame that you buy, do not buy a frame that has those corners, or you won't be able to slip the scrapbook paper in easy. So then with the scraper that I showed you at the beginning, you're going to go ahead and scrape off the vinyl lettering, and it comes off very nicely. And then you're going to purchase the packet of 5 witch hats and some lights. They come in purple, orange, and white. I purchased the white. And then I also have some medical gauze on hand I'm going to use for webbing. And then we're also going to buy a couple of candle holders just because I like to use those as bases. I haven't glued it, but I want to show you exactly how I was going to glue it together. I like to dry brush all my stuff, and at the end you'll see that I dry brush in white all of my pieces. But right here I'm just visualizing how I want this to look. And again, that piece comes off easy, but we're not using the inside of this frame. We're going to use the opposite side, the front of the frame. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So basically, you're going to get some scrapbook paper, and I'll link all the paper I used as well. And this is going to be your backing. This is going to be the background. And obviously I went with this little witchy theme. So see how I layered right on the front of the frame? I'm just going to glue it with some glue gun, attach it. And now I'm going to work on the witch hats. So you're going to get 3 coordinating papers that you like, and you're going to trace and Mod Podge the paper to the hats. It's really easy to just trace and cut. And then what I did was I used foam tape in the glue gun, attached all my pieces. Make sure that the edges stay clean because the frame that goes above this needs room to sit right on top. The lights, all I did was tuck them into each hat. Super easy, nothing crazy. All I did was wrap them around, tuck them into each hat. So there was a little hiccup that I ran into, which was with the lighting at the bottom. It kind of leaves a gap, obviously because the little string is thick. What I did do to hide it was added the faux reindeer moss right above it. But what I found was you can't just leave it hanging the way that it looks right there. You need to glue it straight across the paper so that once you attach the frame, it just sits right under that frame. And if you figure out a better way, please do so. I don't want to lie to you and say that it came out perfect, because it didn't. But for me, I liked the way it looked, and I didn't mind a little bit of the sequins falling out. So I just want to be honest about that. So I love shadow boxes again, and I actually say that I see them all the time at Hobby Lobby, but it's Joann's that I've seen them at. I always see them at Joann's, and I'm always like, I'm gonna create my own, I'm gonna create my own. When I saw the glitter vase filler, I felt like it was just gonna finish the project, and I loved the way that it turned out. Added a couple of pieces in there, and those pieces were also from the Dollar Tree. These little knobs are from Hobby Lobby. I just had them on hand. You can use the chess pieces that the Dollar Tree has and attach those at the top instead. The glass knob is from a piece that I've had for a long time that I purchased at the 99-cent store strictly for those glass knobs, and I was able to finally detach one and use it for this project. And so I want to show you the Hocus Pocus piece. Everybody loved this piece. So this is the piece that I used, that glitter frame. Okay, so the bird is not part of the project. This is my daughter's bird. That's Kevin. So all I did was detach that piece with a butter knife. I took the printable, traced it, cut it, Mod Podged it, and then the backing I just added some scrapbook paper, and I finished it off with some raffia ribbon and a knob, and that's what I did. Those buffalo pumpkins are actually from the 99-cent store. I thought they were super cute, and the rest of the pumpkins are from the Dollar Tree. And this is what it looks like. So attaching them to wine glasses or to your candle holders just kind of finishes these pieces off. It makes them look 100 times better. You can leave as is, but I like attaching them to the candle holders. And then those are some fall picks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Finishing off decorating, I feel like it just looks really great. I love it. I threw some hay straw in there as well, and this is what you get, guys. So if you need a tutorial on this piece here, just let me know in the comments below and I'll go ahead and create a video for just that piece. But everything will be linked below as far as paper and the printables and sizing. And I hope you guys like this. I cannot wait for the rest of the season. I have so much in store for you. Thanks to all my new followers. I really appreciate all of the new following. And please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and feel free to leave me some comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great week. At the end, I actually took a brush and just dry brushed each piece. I didn't get to finish the sides off because I wanted to finish the video, but go ahead and do that if you prefer. If not, you can leave it just as is. Thanks, guys.